When you think of all natural makeup products, a look like this probably doesn't come to mind. But believe it or not, I have just created this glam makeup look using Nude by Nature's all natural cruelty-free makeup products. So if you want to know how to create a makeup look like this using all natural products, keep watching the tutorial. So first up, I'm going to be applying the Airbrush Mineral Primer with my fingers. Next, I'm going to be applying the Perfecting Eye Primer on my eyelids and then a little bit just underneath my eyes as well. For concealer, I'm going to be mixing the Liquid Mineral Concealer in the shades Light and Medium together to create my perfect shade. I'm going to be applying concealer underneath my eyes and down the center of my face as well as on my chin to conceal any redness. I love Nude by Nature products because they're 100% naturally derived and cruelty-free. Plus, they're formulated with powerful native Australian ingredients like kakadu plum and lily pilly, so my skin loves them too. I'm going to apply my Natural Mineral Cover Foundation in the shade Beige with my mineral brush. Now that I've applied my base, I'm going to be applying a contour shade underneath my cheekbones, on my jawlines and my temples using the Nude by Nature Contour Palette. These days, I'm much more concerned about what's in my makeup, so it's comforting to know that Nude by Nature products are formulated without synthetic ingredients or preservatives, such as silicone, parabens, talc or bismuth oxychloride. Using the same palette, I'm going to be using the bronzing shade just to add some warmth to my complexion. I'll also be using the highlight shade from this palette on the center of my face, chin and underneath my contour shade, just to really make my bone structure pop. Using a blush brush, I'm going to be using the Nude by Nature Virgin Blush to just apply a nice pop of color on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to get started on my eye makeup. Firstly, I'll be lining my waterline with the Nude by Nature Contour Eye Pencil in black. I'm going to be creating a bronzy smoky eye, so first I'm going to be using the Shimmering Sands Loose Eyeshadow in Coral Sand all over my eyelid. Today I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow shades with a wet eyeshadow brush, just so that the colours are even more intense than they first appear. After this, I'll be using the Shimmering Sands Loose Eyeshadow in Rose Sand in the outer corners and blending a little bit underneath my eyes as well. Going back to that contour palette, I'm going to be applying the highlighting shade underneath my brow bone and in the inner corners of my eyes. Using the Nude by Nature Natural Wonders Eye Palette, I'm going to be using this nice peachy shade just as a transition shade in the crease of my eyes to blend all the colours together. Next, I'll be lining my upper lid with that same black pencil liner and smudging it out. I'll also blend this into my lower lashes as well. I'll also be adding some brown pencil liner underneath my lower lashes for a little bit more definition. Moving on to my lips, I'll be using the Nude by Nature Defining Lip Pencil to fill in my lips completely. Because I'm going for a glossy lip look, I'm going to skip lipstick and go straight in with my Nude by Nature Moisture Infusion Lip Gloss to get that wet, glossy look. To finish the look, I'm going to apply some brown mascara to my bottom lashes. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the look and if you're more likely to start using natural makeup products from now on.